Okay, video 2 is our application problem. 4th grade math masters. We're ready for this. Let's go ahead and read it the way we are supposed to read our problems. Let's go. So it says here, Amy is baking muffins. That's something we know. She's baking muffins. So we're going to underline that. Then it says each baking tray can, not an, can hold 6 muffins. So now what we need to find out, if Amy bakes 4 trays of muffins, how many muffins will she have in all? So there's 6 muffins in the tray. Now if Amy bakes 4 trays of muffins, how many muffins will she have in all? And so I'm going to circle that 4. So 4 trays of muffins, and each tray holds 6 muffins. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to multiply. So let's take a look at A first. We will read B later. So I have 4 trays of 6. So that's going to be 4 times 6. And I know we didn't really get to do a lot of multiplication last year, but let's just do a little skip counting by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Or we could skip count by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. Or you could use your little multiplication chart. So we have 24. Ooh, that was a weird looking 24. Now let's look at the second one. This really relates to our lesson. Part B. The corner bakery produced 10 times as many muffins as Amy baked. So I'm going to circle that phrase 10 times as many, because that's important. How many muffins did the bakery produce? So we need to do 10 times as much. So how do we do that? Well, we would just go 10, right? 10 times as much as Amy, so 10 times 24. What would that equal? Well, remember our place value chart yesterday. And I'm going to do a little one over here, and you could do it as well. Maybe right over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. We'll go like this, and we'll say 1, 10, hundreds, and thousands, okay? So there's 24, 2 10s, and 4 1s. Now remember, when we multiply by 10, we just shift over 1 column. So watch the magic. Cross those out, cross those out. Remember we did all those dots yesterday? So what do we have? 2 hundreds, 4 10s, 0 1s. So the bakery produced 240 muffins. Let's write now, because we read, we drew a picture and some numbers. Now it's time to write. Amy baked 24 muffins, period, capital letter, period, capital letter, the bakery. Let's use a big word, produced 240 muffins. And remember, if I'm going too fast for you, you can always pause. But it's really important that you do the entire lesson. Mr. Leggett's going to give you a lot of breaks this year, so you'll have time to relax and refresh your brain and your body and your drive to succeed in this class. So let's just review it one more time. If Amy bakes 4 trays of muffins, how many muffins will she have in all? 4 times 6 equals 24. The corner bakery produced 10 times as many muffins as Amy baked. So we had 24 here. 10 times, we go over 1 column. So how many muffins did the bakery produce? 20 became 200. 4 became 40. We have 240. There's our answer. Amy baked 24 muffins. The bakery produced 240 muffins, not 248. And we're a little ahead of schedule. That's good, because you probably want to take a little brain break. And then you'll go on to video 3 of our math lesson. Thank you so much, you 4th graders. Bye for now.